So in this video we're gonna see about the installation of BMC air filters. What is special with BMC air filters is it is completely a different pattern compared to the stock air filters what any bike manufacturer provides. So let's go with the installation first, and then I'll explain you what is the difference between the stock and the BMC air filters is. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and stay with us. So we almost have all the tools required for changing the air filters with the stock toolkit. So let me show you what all there in the stock toolkit. So a screwdriver, spanner, and another spanner to remove the tires in case of puncture, and a Allen key, a 10x11 spanner, and other bolt. We're going to be removing the span and a big Allen key. So what do we need basically here is we have to remove these 4 bolts, and after removing this the air filter is exposed, so we have to remove that and fix the BMC air filters into it. Let me show you how. So for removing this 4 bolts we need the smaller Allen key. Yeah. So now the outer cover is removed. So this is the main plate where the air goes into the filter. So next we are going to remove this with the help of a screwdriver. So now we have removed the outer suction cup, and now we are going to remove the stock air filter. So hope you can see it. This is the stock air filter of RE Himalayan. It is mesh with paper. So the lining over here is all paper. So this is considerably very cheap, and it can be cleaned easily, and it can be changed once in a while of around 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers whenever you go for service. And now let me show you the BMC air filters. So I have already unboxed the BMC air filters. So let me show you the difference between the stock and the pattern of a BMC air filter. So this is the BMC air filter. So the speciality of this BMC air filter is this is made up of cotton and mesh. So what happens here is the intake of air into the engine is considerably good, which increases the fuel economy and the power of the engine. Let me compare both. So I hope you can see this is the difference between the stock and BMC air filter. Every bike and every model, they have a unique manufacturing design for this air filters. And to check if the air filter is original or not, every BMC air filter is made only in Italy. So we have a seal of made in Italy here, even in the box. So by that we can get a confirmation that it is a original piece of BMC. So let me show you the air chamber. The air chamber remains always dust free because whatever air flows in is always suctioned to the engine. It is important to keep the air filter clean and neat, so that dust particles or impure things go into the engine and pollute. So now let's fix the BMC filters and close the chamber. So fixing the BMC filter is very easy. Like we have to put the filter in, and then close the outer suction cup. And then bolt it. Once the entry cap is completely fixed, and then we fix the outer cover back to the position. So for this we need the Allen key. So with the Allen key we are going to bolt it. That's it. The fixing of the new BMC air filter is done. So as I said earlier, the maintenance of a BMC air filter is like a lifetime, and we do not keep it changing in service intervals. Once every 10,000 kilometers or 15,000 kilometers, we get a detergent pack and a BMC oil pack. So we have to wash the filter with the detergent and apply the oil and put it back. So they generally give it for 1,00,000 kilometers compared to the stock air filters, which we have to go change it every service interval. So when we use a good air filters in our motorcycle, what happens here is it pumps more oxygen into the cylinders, which eventually results in a smoother engine performance and good mileage. If I want to let you know if there is a drastic change in the fuel economy, I wouldn't say much, but it is around some 2 to 3 kilometers per liter, which is considerably a small change, but the smoothness of the engine increases, and as I said, it is for 1,00,000 kilometer. You need not change the filters forever. So these air filters are basically for performance upgrades only. So that's up to the user, like if they want to upgrade or if they want to go with the stock filters. The performance is going to be the same, but a small increase or a small difference in the engine refinement and the airflow for the engine to help in combustion. So hope this video was useful, and if you like the content, you're always welcome to subscribe and stay with the channel. Peace.